Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alex Reisinger, Program Manager of Career Navigation with Bridgeyear. Bridgeyear is a local nonprofit here in Houston that is on a mission to help all high school students graduate with a plan into stable income and ultimately financial independence. And we are here at one of our key events, which is Essential Soft Skills for Success. We're at our partner location, Honeywell. Throughout the day, students start off with 2 curriculum sessions in the morning. The first one is a resume, and particularly how to craft a resume responsibly with the assistance of AI. And then our second session is called Pitch, Pay, and Professionalism, where students go through how to craft their own personal pitch. They learn more about pay expectations and what is reasonable here in the Houston area. And then they also learn some of the unspoken workplace rules that you may not know before you get into a real workplace. All those skills that they learn throughout the day are tested in the afternoon session, where they get to do a mock interview with a real professional at our corporate location. And then during the day as well, students get to do an expo hall where they visit with training partners and funding partners from across Houston to help them identify what their path is after high school. And that is Essential Soft Skills for Success with Bridgeyear.
I think the most valuable part of this workshop was the interviews, because a lot of our students, they're high achievers, but perhaps they're not working, or they've only have been able to fill out a work application but don't have those interview skills and how to actually pitch what their achievements are. So I really appreciate seeing that today.
It was a great day full of students learning and engaging and really beginning to develop those professional soft skills that are needed for their future careers. And they have the opportunity to do everything from speak to industry professionals here to even win the chance to get an iPad. So it was a really great day, and we're really happy with all the work that our students put in and all the work that Bridgeyear did for us as well.
My favorite part was to speak to the partners at the stations. It really just gave me more insight into what I needed to work on.
Talking to professional people and learning more about my career, and just listening on how other people talk about it as well make me realize that I do want to pursue with that career.
The most useful part for me was the resume structure. I like how they explained it. It was very well detailed, but at the same time it felt like an overview.
Oh, my favorite section was the pitch building, and I think that's very important. Like, everybody should know how to make a pitch.